Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we can discuss a new lesson, lines and angles. So the topics to be covered in these lessons are regard of geometry basics, wherein we will talk about point, line segment, and related angle, complementary angle, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair, and vertically opposite angles. And line pairs are intersecting lines, parallel lines, and transversal lines. So students, so first we can talk about the basic thing, geometry. We will aware the basics of geometry. What is geometry? It is that branch of mathematics that deal with the various shape and their properties. Is it right? And the measurements also. In the geometry, we talk about different types of shapes. Now, when I talk about different shapes, you see that the objects that you see around yourself, we see a variety of objects like the doors, windows, kite, pencil, paper. So many different things. Each of these things they have a specific shape. Some of them are you no circular in the shape. Some of them are rectangular in the shape. Some of them they look like a triangle. So each of them has a different or distinct shape. So we can learn more about the shapes. How do you measure the blue shades of that properties? Each of these shapes does not want to be a study in geometry. Now even before we start talking about so many variety of shapes, we talk about the basics of geometry. Now there are certain basics elements of geometry. So the line and the angle, these are also one of those basics element. So here in this lesson we are going to discuss more about lines and angles. Now before, let's start with the basic element of geometry. So the basic element of geometry is a point. Now when you look at this clock, you see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. They are represented by points. So the other points are something, but dots is a geometrical figure which has no width, no length, no dimension, or uh, its a dimension less than a single dot. That is called a point. So the point is the most basic geometrical, it is the most geometrical entity. Is it right? You can say that the next thing is we talk about is a line or a line segment. Now when you are look at your ruled notebook, so what do you see? You see these tape lines. Are these lines are basically combination of combination, it's in the dots. After another it forms a line, so that is line. Now when you talk about something like array in the switch and torch, and what happens when you see the light come from the source in a particular direction, so these are called rays. So this is also a basic. When you talk about line, it's a straight line, it is a straight combination with the extends of both direction. When you talk about the lines, it has a fixed end point at one end to the other. It continues indefinitely, like here the sources take strength, so the end fixed, but the other end keeps on going indefinitely, so the other end is not fixed. So that is a line or array and array. Similarly, we talk about angles. Angles are basic figures, and what are these? They are basically tell us the orientation of the surface with the other orientation. of one line with another. Think of this, a closed door. What happens when you open the door? You see the what's happening here. As you open the door and the angle is formed, that shows the orientation of this surface with that of the surface. Because of this boundary or this border of the door is a fixed, right? So when you start try open the door, it is only the part of the door which opens as this angle changes this angle. Basically, as you open the door, all more this angle is increases. So the angle is nothing but a geometrical element which shows the orientation one surface with another, or orientation of line with other. So points, line segments, rays, these are the basic elements of geometry. We have already learned about the class 6. So here we cannot spend much time knowing. This is again instead of what we are going to do in definitely have a quick recap of these, and after that we will move on to different types of angles. So students, I hope you can understand this, the basics of geometry, the line, point, line segments, and some of the angles, rays. These are the some basic shapes in the geometry. So in next class we can discuss the types of angles. So I hope you can understand this. Thank you.